before adding the corrugated ends, we do need to add this lintel, concrete lintel, that goes above the brickwork and around the sides. It's not glued in place obviously, and it needs to be painted, so it needs to be primed and painted in a concrete colour, glued, and then we can think about adding the corrugated ends. So next job for me is to prime and paint both of these side concrete lintels. With the concrete lintels now painted on both sides, these can be fitted into place. Now you just might need to scrape any paint off on the inside, because obviously when you fit it on here it's going to be a tight fit. So I've done exactly that. I've just scraped along the edge just to take any excess paint off, and I've checked it that it still fits. And we need to add some glue, and we need some little bit of glue on the top of the brickwork and around the side brickwork, and then fit it into place. Be careful with this because this is extremely thin. Don't break it. Get this far and then snap it. So just add tiny little drops of glue. Use your cocktail stick and dab little dots all the way along. That should be enough. And obviously then when you fit it on, just use a piece of MDF or something to push it down. Make sure it fits on top. If need be, tip it up on the side and wipe any excess glue off if you need to. So I'm going to glue that in place, and then I'll do the same on the other side.